Deva. We came Casa da Cholota?
Clocota.
Clocota. Casca da Clocota. It's like a salt waterfall. Salty waterfall. Let's see. Bro, I'm not Romanian. Why you this language very hard? So while we're traveling in the highway, we saw that is now we're heading to Sigiswara, and we saw you took call.
What?
You took call,
Yeah.
and we saw this, and we stopped about from highway about 30 kilometers. So we came, but today weather bad, very bad. The morning is too much rain. Now it's okay, but still dark and cold. Let's see, this is little small video. So after that, let's see what we can see. From the road is only 100 meters to this waterfall. Really beautiful, but unfortunately you guys can see it's raining again. So with this autumn color, it's really nice. And Nihai going to crash the drone again. So I need to feel the water. I need to check how it's sweet. It's really beautiful. If it's not raining, I had planned to have a bath here, but unfortunately it's raining. So no chance. I hope you guys can hear me. And this water is hot. It's not cold. I thought it's cold, but it's hot. But I think this water has something. You guys can see all the waterfall is great. It's like this water has something with like salt or something, but tastes like nothing, just only water, normal water. But this one has something inside of the water, and water is pure. I can see all inside. It's pure. In the same road we have another waterfall. It's not actually a waterfall, it's like a small lake, or I don't know exactly, I don't have any idea about that. Now we plan to go there and let's see what we can see there. This place is really nice, and you can have a bath there. Don't worry, you can have a bath because water is not too cold, it's a little bit hot. Maybe because of the structure of the waterfall, I think. Like I told you, it's like salt water, I don't know, but tastes not like salt. So now we plan to go to that water fountain or waterfall, or I don't know exactly, but it's near about 10 kilometers or 15 kilometers. So we plan to go there. Let's see what we can see there. While we passed the car park, we saw one board. How to pronounce this? Grota? Grota? Grota?
Grota.
Grota Haiduchilo. Grota Haiduchilo. Outlaws Grotto. It's like a cave. Let's see what is that, because we don't need to miss anything around this place. It's cold, it's too cold now. Really nice. The trees, autumn, traveling. You have a torch? Hello? We cave inside of the cave, but it's not too big. It's just small cave with big rocks inside. We can see the top, as it's too dark. What is this? It's like a bear house. I thought we can walk inside, but no. At least now we know what inside actually. They're just lying. They're just lying, misleading us. Oh, what is this? It's like a jade stones. Oof. It's a big rock.